Let's make ice cream.
Ice cream.
How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Cold ice cream, sweet and bright. Let's see how it's made just right. Here is the milk so fresh and cold.
Fresh and cold.
A tasty treat for young and old.
Young and old.
Are you ready?
Here we go. Pour, pour, pour. Pour, pour, pour.
Mix it up, then add some more.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir.
Make it creamy, that's for sure.
That's for sure.
Add the sugar, sugar, sugar. Vanilla, vanilla.
Please, now put it in the freezer.
Ding! Look at the ice cream, cold and yummy.
Cold and yummy.
Good for my tummy, yummy tummy.
Scoop, 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 scoop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
A cone for you, a cone for me.
You and me. Cold ice cream.
Yummy!
Sweet ice cream.
Sweet!